Alright, let's talk about dropshipping. You've probably seen a million ads promising you can rake in thousands overnight just by selling stuff you never even touch. Sounds like magic, right? Well, I decided to put this to the test. I'm starting a dropshipping business from scratch, and I'm bringing you along for the ride to see if I can actually make money online. First things first, dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I wish it was, but the truth is, it takes work. You don't need a warehouse full of stock, which is awesome, but you do need to find the right niche. That means researching what people actually want to buy and making sure there isn't a ton of competition. Next up, finding suppliers. This part can honestly be a headache. I checked out platforms like AliExpress and Salehoo and reached out to a bunch of vendors. You want suppliers who are reliable, fast, and deliver quality products because your reputation is on the line. Once I locked that down, it was time to build a store. I use Shopify, but WooCommerce works too. Setting up isn't hard, but actually getting customers, that's the challenge. I dove into social media marketing, tried some paid ads, and even slid into a few influencer DMs. Here's the key: track everything. I'm talking website traffic, conversion rates, where people drop off. Google Analytics is my new best friend. Social media is huge too. It's where you connect with real people and build hype around your products. So, is dropshipping worth it? If you're strategic and patient, absolutely. But it won't happen overnight. If you've tried dropshipping or you're thinking about starting, drop your stories in the comments. And if you want more no-nonsense guides to making money online, hit subscribe and stick around.